Hello students, good morning, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milind Dolaria. In this video, we start exercise 3.2. Okay, so just be ready, open your mind, let's start it. First of all, in exercise 3.2, we learn about combined mean and weighted mean. Okay, combined mean and weighted mean. What is the formula of combined mean? Combined mean xc is equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar up to nn x n bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n2 n3 up to the n k. Okay, and what is the formula for weighted mean? xw is equals to w1 x1 plus w2 x2 up to the wk xk and divided by w1 plus w2 plus w3 up to the wk. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Question number 1. The mean daily wage paid to 75 skilled workers of a factory was rupees 280, whereas the mean daily wage paid to 125 unskilled workers was rupees 150. Find the mean wage of all the workers. Okay, here two types are given, skilled worker and unskilled worker. The mean daily wages paid to 75 skilled workers is 280, whereas mean daily wages paid to 125 unskilled workers was rupees 150. That means two means already given to you. Two mean already given to you. For skilled workers it is 280 and for unskilled workers it is 150. We need to find the mean wage of all the workers, that means combined mean. We need to find the combined mean of all the workers. Okay, two means already given to us. We need to find combined mean. First of all, we need to write some data from the question. First of all, how many unskilled workers are there? How many skilled workers are there? 75, right? So N1 75. The mean daily wage paid to 75 skilled workers. So N1 75, total number of skilled workers, and mean was 280 rupees. So X1 bar is equals to 280 rupees. Okay, mean is given to you, it is 280 rupees. Then for second category, unskilled worker, how many unskilled workers are there? 125, right? And 125 unskilled workers, and mean was rupees 150. So H2 bar 150 rupees. We need to find the combined mean of all the workers. Okay. Now here combined mean xc is equals to, now total two category we have, right? So here we need to write n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Here we have only two category, so n1 and n2. Okay, n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This is the formula of combined mean. Okay, now put all the values here. n1 it is 75, x1 bar 280 plus n2 125 and x2 bar 150 divided by n1 plus n2 75 plus 125. Now just take the calculation in your hand. I am taking calculation in my mind. Now multiply 75 into 280. So first of all 1 0, 8 5s are 40, 4 remainder, 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60 plus 10 70, 7 remainder, 7 2s are 14 plus 7 21 plus 125 into 150. So first of all 1 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 remainder, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 5 17, 1 remainder, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 1s are 1. And in denominator 125 plus 75 200. Now add this to number. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7, 8 plus 1, 9 and 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 200. Okay, now divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 19, 2 nines are 18, 17, 2 eights are 16, 15, 2 sevens are 0.5, but one more 0 is there. So here 198.75, this is the combined mean. Okay, and here unit is rupees. Okay, so this is the combined mean for all the workers, 198.75 rupees. Okay, and one, that means skilled workers 75 and mean is 280, unskilled workers are 125 and mean is 150. We need to find the mean of all the workers, so we need to find the combined mean. N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. Put all the value, you will get the answer. Okay, now question number 2. First of all, with this question, find the weighted mean of the percentage change in price from the following data. Find the weighted mean. So here we need to find the weighted mean of the percentage change in price. किसका फाइंड करना है? परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस. तो वो हो गया हमारे लिए x from the following data. So here some data is given to you. Food item, rice, wheat, tea, sugar. This is not sugar and price, this is pulses, right? Sugar and pulses. Then weight is given to you. Weight, it means our W. Weighted mean, what is the formula of weighted mean? Weighted mean XW bar is equal to sigma XW divided by sigma W. Right? Sigma XW divided by sigma W. So here we want X and W. So here weight, it is W for us, and percentage change in price, it is X for us. Okay, weight, that means W, and percentage change in price, that means X. W for weightage. Okay, so here weight is given to us, X is given to us. We need to find the weighted mean. So here we want sigma XW. For that we want multiplication of X and W. Right, so our next column is XW. We need to multiply X and W. We can write sigma XW, otherwise sigma WX. Both are same. Okay, because multiplication of WX, otherwise XW, both are same. So again, just take the calculation in your hand. 7028. That means we need to multiply W with X. 134 into 7. So 7028, 23 and 9. Okay, we need to multiply W with X. Now 125 into 10, so 1250. 115 into 5, so 575. 97 into 8, 8 sevens are 56. 9 is a 72 plus 5, 77 and 240. Right, so this is the XW, multiplication of W and X. Now in the formula, what we want? Sigma XW. So addition of XW we want. So just add here sigma XW. Find the addition. So 8 plus 5 13 plus 6 19. 1 remainder 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 14. 14 plus 4 8. 8 plus 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 9 27. Remainder 2. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 5 18. 18 plus 7 25. Plus 2 27. And 3 7s 1 9. And second, in denominator we want sigma W. So addition of W. Here 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 10 20. Plus 5 25 plus 7 32. So sigma W 32. Okay, now we need to put this value in the formula. We need to make the table. Okay, now finally sigma XW, it is 37 37779, right? And divided by 32. So 3779 divided by 32. So first of all, now use the calci here. 3779 divided by 32. First of all, 3 ones are 3, then 2 ones are 2. Okay, so 7 minus 2, 5, 7, 9. Again 30, 2 ones are 5, 7 minus 32. This is 25 and 259 minus 2, 257, so 32, 8s are after the decimal point 729 125, and here we need to put 0. After that 8, not but 9. Okay, so 118.09. This is our final answer. Just take this answer. So final answer of weighted mean is 118.09. Okay, here weight is given to us, percentage change is given to us. So this is W for us, this is X for us, right? W for weightage. So here weight is given to us, so it is W. We need to find the mean of percentage change in price. Okay, जिनका भी मीन फाइंड करना हो वही हमारे लिए x है, जिनका मीन फाइंड करना हो वही हमारे लिए x है, तो ये हुआ x. Now x and w we have, so we can find the weighted mean by using the formula sigma xw divided by sigma w. Okay, so we need to multiply these two numbers. Okay, now first of all xw, so multiplication of w and x, so multiply these two numbers, write down all this answer and add this answer, so you will get the sigma xw, and we want sigma w, so add this number, so you will get the sigma w. After that put this value here, you will get the value of your weighted mean. Okay.